No instructions, no matching parts, just us, a grinder, and a dumb idea. So here's how this happened. We had a whole bunch of old parts, no manual, no real plan, and for some reason we looked at it all and we were like, yeah, let's build a mini bike. I mean, we are mechanics, so we got the tools, but just way too much time and faith into these zip ties and hose rings. This frame came from somewhere random. I don't really remember. I think it was like OfferUp, but we looked at it and we're like, damn, it'd be pretty badass if we put an engine on it. First things first, we remove everything off the bike. The gears, the brakes, the wheels, pretty much everything, just so we could get to the frame. Now, this part was a bit more tricky because, yeah, my dad and I, we are mechanics, but we're not welders. We have no welding knowledge whatsoever. So we decided to buy a brand new welder. This one was like a little Chinese one that we got off of Temu, and decided, why not practice? Yeah, eventually do a test on our welds and see how everything goes. I mean, I don't know if it will last or not. Fuck it. But the engine, we need the engine. So we got this engine from this old partner, and he was clearing out his storage, and he was like, hey, I need to sell this to get an extra few bucks. And we're like, okay, we'll take it off your hands. We know exactly what to do with it. We had to dismantle the entire engine, remove the throttle, the governor, gas tank, carburetor, air filter, everything. And the reason why we did that was because, you know, it's base model and it's cool. You know, it's cool if you want to be basic. We bought extra stuff. We bought a throttle kit, we bought a torque converter, carburetor kit as well, just so we could get as much horsepower as possible. Placed the kits according to the instructions that they had, because I didn't know they come with the instructions, and it was pretty helpful. It was really helpful. We did the instructions just like how they had it, but everything that we did, here's pretty much like a time lapse of us doing it. This is just pretty much a big experiment at this point. As we started placing everything together, we're noticing, okay, nothing's fitting together. So we had to build engine mounts, load some brackets, grind out some old stuff, old wires, try to make everything fit together, kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. It looked janky. It's pretty much janky. I don't really care. I want to see if it works. So after days of welding, cutting, and a lot of coffee, it was time for a test ride. We honestly didn't know if it would run or anything, or it would just fall apart or just straight up explode. So we built this bike from pretty much scratch. And yeah, it's loud, it's sketchy. I don't even know if it's really legal here, but it works. And well, most of the times. We still have some issues then and there, like this chain popping off, but at least we could ride it. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment if you ever had a dumb idea that actually worked. Stay tuned, we got some more projects coming soon.